how gentle she is.
She's so gentle.
Good evening, guys. Today we are
going down to the Pattaya Fireworks Festival.
Today is the last day of the Pattaya International Fireworks Festival, and today is the final.
Yeah.
So apparently all the countries have put on their best fireworks or something, and tonight is going to be the final, so they should be pretty spectacular.
Yeah, I can't wait.
So we're going to head down on the bus to Pattaya from Jomtien. We're going to see if we can grab some dinner. I think they got a few restaurants there. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how busy it is, because I don't think we've been to Pattaya on a Saturday night, and we haven't been to Pattaya on a night where there's a significant event.
Yeah.
So this could be pretty busy, could be pretty messy, but
Could be fun.
yeah, it could be fun. I don't know. We'll see how we go, but yeah, it should make for some for a pretty good video. Just a bunch of lights in the sky.
Yeah.
So let's go and see what it's all about. We made it off the Barts bus. Took a long time, as you could have seen. It was pretty busy, overloaded, I'd say. And just a PSA, if there's a lot of people getting on the Barts bus, don't be a dickhead. Move along and give people some space. You've come to the restaurant we came to last time we were in Pattaya at night. It is... some things are reasonably priced, and then some of the things are really expensive, so it could be hit and miss, but we enjoyed it last time. Yeah, we'll see how the food goes today.
Yummy.
Very nice, definitely worth the wait. A long way. Dinner's done and dusted, very good. We're gonna head down Soi, whatever this is, I don't know. And we're gonna see if we can find a place to sit, maybe grab a beer at that hole in the wall that we've been to before.
Yeah, Siam Sunset.
I'm guessing Beach Road is gonna be absolutely pumping, so it could be a struggle, but we'll give it a go, and regardless, we'll be able to find a good spot and definitely be able to get a good view of the fireworks somewhere. This bunch of food cars, looks like the road isn't even open, it's closed off. Pretty sick. There's a ton of people in it, we'll see. And that is completely full. Obviously other people were thinking the same thing as we were. We just sat down on the beach. A lot of the chairs were booked. I don't know exactly how they're working these systems out, because there's just chairs everywhere. Pretty busy. I think they got local bands playing, which I don't know where they are. It's probably all the way down the end of the beach. We'll just sit here, probably get a beer, and then watch the fireworks, see how they go. It just started raining a little bit, spitting.
Yeah,
so that's
tiny bit.
It's fine.
sitting here talking to this lovely lady next to me, and she got me this little headband thing. Oh my god, I'm so grateful.
So they've just said that there's 600 street food vendors along the road here, and they've also put out a call for people to not let off illegal fireworks on the beach, because if you direct them the wrong way, they could hurt someone and you get fined. It's illegal. Don't do it. So the rain's getting a tiny bit heavier than what it was. I'm just gonna go across to 7-Eleven and grab a couple of rain ponchos, just in case it gets really heavy, because we want to stay and watch the fireworks and not get rained out, especially after paying that much for the seats. Got the raincoats and now just lining up in this mess. We've seen Singapore, Serbia's fireworks. Apparently there is China. Yeah, we've seen 3.
Oh, we might stay for one more and then see how we feel at the end of that.
Yeah, we'll see how we go.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is insane trying to get out of this. We just left the fireworks and it's like...
just got off the Bart's bus in Jomtien. It was pretty chaotic there. We've just hit 7-Eleven. We're gonna hit our house.
Yep.
And then we might hit the bed, do some sleeping. So yeah, thanks for joining us. Hopefully the shots came out all right and you've had a good time and you enjoyed the show as much as we did.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll leave it there and we'll see you in the next one.
Yep.
Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.